We are making a Turkish chocolate parfe with pistachios, a no-bake frozen dessert. This makes 8 servings and takes about 20 minutes of prep plus 6 hours to freeze. Let us get started. First, let's check the ingredients. 400 milliliters of cold heavy cream. This will whip up light and creamy for our frozen base. 395 grams of sweetened condensed milk. It sweetens and keeps the texture smooth in the freezer. 200 grams of dark chocolate, chopped. This gives a deep cocoa flavor and silkiness. 30 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. It boosts the chocolate taste and color. 5 milliliters of vanilla extract. It rounds out the flavor. 1 pinch of fine salt. A tiny bit sharpens the chocolate. 120 grams of Turkish tea biscuits, broken into small pieces. They add the classic parfe crunch. 50 milliliters of milk. We will lightly moisten the biscuits so they stay tender when frozen. 60 grams of roasted pistachios, chopped. A Turkish favorite that adds color and crunch. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Line a loaf pan with parchment paper, leave enough overhang to lift later, and place the pan in the freezer to chill while you make the base. Melt 200 grams of chopped dark chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl in 20-second bursts, stirring between each, until smooth. Then let it cool for 5 minutes. In a large chilled mixing bowl, whip 400 milliliters of cold heavy cream to soft peaks. Use a hand mixer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 395 grams of sweetened condensed milk to the whipped cream and whisk just until combined. Sift in 30 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, add 5 milliliters of vanilla extract and 1 pinch of fine salt, then fold until the mixture is smooth and uniform. Pour in the melted, cooled dark chocolate and fold gently until fully combined and glossy. Break 120 grams of Turkish tea biscuits into small bite-sized pieces. Drizzle 50 milliliters of milk over them, and toss gently to moisten lightly without making them soggy. Chop 60 grams of roasted pistachios and reserve 1 tablespoon for garnish. Fold the remaining pistachios and the moistened biscuits into the chocolate base until evenly distributed. Transfer the mixture into the lined loaf pan, tap the pan a few times to release air pockets, and smooth the top with a spatula. Fold the parchment over the surface, cover the pan tightly with plastic wrap or foil, and freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight until firm. To unmold, use the parchment overhang to lift the parfe out of the pan and place it on a cutting board. Let the parfe stand at room temperature for 5 minutes to soften slightly for cleaner slices. Warm a sharp knife under hot water, wipe it dry, and slice the parfe into thick pieces. Plate the slices, sprinkle over the reserved pistachios, and serve immediately while nicely chilled. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Turkish chocolate parfe, tap like, subscribe for more recipes, and turn on the bell so you never miss a video.